For cutting panels of higher depth, in some cases, onion skinning strategy is used. In this case, a small depth of the panel is left behind for the final pass of the router and cut at the very end. This is to ensure that the panel does not move during the operation and it is cut perfectly. To enable this particular feature, you need to go into your CNC option here, and here in CAM settings under KDT NC, you have the option router. When you select the same, you have an option here as well called final pass. So if you turn this on, that means a final pass will be activated of the particular depth that you specify. So let's say right now it is false, and we will go and check how the output is right now. In my board layout, if I open my NC mode now, so you can see this is a board. So I'll take a board where there is only one panel and we will see router motion right now. So I'm playing this. First the drilling is happening. Now the routing will happen. The panel is cut. Now the extra panel is cut and the border is cut. So you can see this is the amount of drilling and routing that is happening right now. But if I put a final pass, then it has to move once more to cut the final pass. So you can see in CNC CAM settings, we'll go into your router option. Herein now in final pass, I'll turn this on as true, and you can now give your final pass depth in mm. This will specify how much depth has to be left behind for the final pass to happen. This means that if I have a 18 mm thickness panel and I put my final pass as 1 mm, then in the first cut 17 mm will be cut in depth and 1 mm will be left behind for the final pass. So now I'm applying this. I'll go into my board layout. So we will take the same panel again and we will play. So drilling is happening. Now the first pass is happening. Extra panel is cut. Now the border is getting cut. So now notice that it is doing one more pass. This is for the final pass of 1 mm. So as you can see, this is the difference and this is how you would define your final pass as well.